Jesus said, "Mary," and Mary replied, "Rabboni," teacher. John chapter 20 verse 16. We remember today the resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ. We can ask ourselves, how did Jesus rise from the dead? How did it happen? First of all, the answer is, why not? God is God. God is very powerful. So powerful that He can do everything. Nothing is impossible with God. So He can do whatever He wants. He can do, including rising from the dead. That's simple. And secondly, Jesus rose from the dead because He conquered death and He conquered sin. He did not commit any sin. Even the smallest sin that we can imagine, He did not do it. He did not commit it. That's why He rose from the dead. And that's what will happen to us if we try the best as we can to avoid sin. And if we do, then we ask for God's forgiveness. So we will become free from sin. And that is the one of the features of being member of God's holy people. Independent, free from sin. Just like our Mother Mary. Our Mother Mary was free from sin. She did not commit any sin, even if there was so many occasions to sin, but she rejected sin because she wanted to be free from sin, and she wanted to be in union with God in every moment.